My name is Bill Gorley, and I teach at Goleta Valley Junior High School. I teach industrial technology for 7th graders, for 8th graders, and I also teach a video productions class. All three of these classes are really exciting in my opinion, and I think your son or daughter would really love to take any of those three classes. I'll start first with video productions. Video productions is a class that students take, and they are normally, when there wouldn't be the quarantine, the students would get to create a morning broadcast that goes out to the entire school. That's done every day, and the students get to work together in production, lighting, editing, filming, news stories, and they get to put together the morning news show. And the students also have independent projects that they get to work on as well. So they are challenged and tasked with creating stories and compelling news. 7th grade industrial technology is a class that I teach along with Mr. Moore. In this class, students get to explore different types of technologies. They learn about the process of building things and making things, how they're made. They also get to work at individual stations with or without a partner, and each station will last for 5 days. Some of the stations we have offered are stations such as working with plastics or learning about metal or casting. The class has a machine shop in the back of the room, and the students learn how to use basic power tools and basic hand tools. Safety is strongly emphasized. I also teach 8th grade industrial technology. In this class, students get to do a lot of hands-on building with metal, with wood. They get to make projects such as skateboards. They get to do projects as chessboards. They get to do work with metal, making dustpans and a barbecue. They can do a lot of different projects on their own and together. Safety is greatly emphasized, as is the knowledge and usage of tools, both hand and power. And they get to do a whole lot of work within the shop making things. It's a really fun class. I think your son or daughter is going to love Goleta Valley Junior High School. It is a superb school with great staff, students, teachers, amazing place to be. Thank you and have a great evening.